What is up, techies? It's Fluffy here, and today we have royalty in the house. For years, Sony has held the crown for noise-canceling headphones. The XM4S were legendary, the XM5S were controversial. But now we have the Sony WH-1000XM6. Are they just a minor update, or did Sony actually listen to us? Spoiler alert, they folded. Literally. We're unboxing the Platinum Silver colorway today, checking out the new design and seeing if these scans are worth the premium price tag of 27,999 pesos. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get this open. Sony is keeping it eco-friendly as always. Now, look at this case. First thing I noticed, no zippers. Sony went with a magnetic latch system. It feels fancy, like opening a premium handbag. But I'm curious how secure this is if you toss it in a bag. Let's open it up. And there they are, the XM6. But look at that! They are folded! Yes! Sony brought back the folding design. The XM5S were great, but they took up so much space. This is travel friendly again. Thank you, Sony engineers, for listening to our complaints. Inside the little pocket here, we have the USB-C charging cable, and yes, a 3.5mm audio cable. For the purists out there who believe wireless audio is a sin, Sony has you covered. Taking the headphones out, wow, they are light. Sony stuck with the lightweight plastic build, which is great for long listening sessions. They don't feel cheap, but they don't feel heavy either. It's a nice balance. The platinum silver color is stunning. It's clean, it's modern. However, I'm already seeing a potential issue. This matte finish on the ear cups, it looks amazing right now. But I have a feeling it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. Yep. You might want to keep a microfiber cloth handy if you have oily fingers like me. The ear cups rotate and swivel smoothly, which is great for wearing them around your neck. The headband feels flexible, and the clamping force seems just right, not too tight, not too loose. One small gripe though, there are no clicky steps or visual markers for the headband adjustment. You just have to slide it and hope it's even. A bit of a miss for a premium headset, but not a deal breaker. Let's look at the controls. Sony kept it simple and functional. We have dedicated buttons for power, pairing, and a separate button for ANC, ambient mode. Thank you. I hate it when everything is crammed into one button. Of course, we have the USB-C port and the 3.5mm jack on the bottom. The touch controls are likely still on the right ear cup, which we'll test in the full review. Alright, here is my take. The Sony WH-1000XM6 feels like an apology letter to everyone who hated the XM5's non-folding design. The return of foldability is huge for commuters and travelers. It makes the headphones practical again. Daily use. The lightweight build and the comfort mean you can wear these for hours, whether you're on a long flight or just ignoring your coworkers in the office. The magnetic case is a stylish touch, though I worry about things falling out if it opens accidentally. Is it worth 27,999 pesos? That is a steep price. But if you value top-tier silence, premium comfort, and the convenience of a folding design, this is looking like the top contender for 2025. It fixes the biggest flaw of its predecessor while refining everything else. So, that's our first look at the Sony WH-1000XM6. The king might just be back on the throne. What do you guys think? Is the folding design enough to make you upgrade? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button, subscribe to TechBeatPH, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full review where we test the battery and microphone quality. This has been Fluffy, reminding you to listen to the music, not the noise.